wellness revolution starts now.
Hello, I'm Dr. Steve Hotze, and welcome to today's program. I wanted to visit with you about our restorative protocol here at the Hotze Health and Wellness Center. We call it cellular repair treatment. Now, do you have a problem with severe arthritis, knee pain? Have you lost the cartilage in your knees and somebody's recommended that you may need a knee replacement? How about your joints in your hips or your shoulders? Have you had problems there? Have you had severe back pain, tendonitis in any of your tendons in your body? Well, this can be resolved safely and naturally using cellular repair treatment rather than surgery. Now, many people are unaware that it's possible to regenerate your joints and to cause them to form new cartilage to heal your joints. But you can using cellular repair treatment. And that's where we take natural chemicals, proteins, nutrients, and we inject those into the joints or inject them into the areas of the back or into your tendons, wherever you may be having the problem. And those particular natural substances stimulate the joints to regenerate cartilage tissue. And that will help relieve the pain and usually help you prevent from having to get your joints replaced surgically. Now, many people have had joint replacement and it's been successful and they've done that. But wouldn't it be better if you could do something naturally to heal your own joints? Remember, not every joint replacement goes well. Somewhere in the order of 20 to 30% of knee replacements have developed concomitant side effects, problems. I have a friend of mine who had knee replaced, and he's had 3 different surgeries on it due to infections that developed in that knee. And other people have had the problem and the knees just haven't worked right, or they've been off balance, or they haven't been the right level, and it has adversely affected their gait, their walk. So I want to let you know here at the Hotze Health and Wellness Center, we have a restorative protocol, a regenerative protocol using cellular repair treatment that we can inject into the joints. We can also use this intravenously. We can give you these same molecules, natural molecules, and they will go to areas of your body where you're having inflammation or where you've had damage, whether it's in the brain or in the heart or other parts of your body, and stimulate regeneration in those particular organs. So that's the Hotze Restorative Protocol. And if you're interested in that, then please don't hesitate to give one of our new guest consultants a call at the number you found on the screen. Thanks so much for joining us today, and I wish you the best health. Thank you. God bless you.
At Physicians Preference Pharmacy, we specialize in compounding bioidentical hormones, which means that all of our hormone medications are made right here on site in our compounding labs. The term bioidentical means that the hormones in the products that you're taking, whether that's in a capsule, a tablet, or a cream form, are chemically identical to those which your body produces. So your body responds the same way it would to its own hormones. This is important because hormones work in the body as a lock and key system. Just like your front door, only one shape of a key will fit the way it should to unlock that door. And the same goes for how hormones work within your body. For a medication to be the most effective, with the least number of side effects, we must give your body something that it recognizes as its own. And this is why we choose bioidentical.
information provided on this program is neither intended nor implied to be a substitute for professional medical advice and is not intended to replace the services of a physician, nor does it constitute a doctor-patient relationship. You should not use information from this radio program to diagnose or treat a health problem or disease without consulting with a qualified healthcare provider. If you have or suspect you have an urgent medical problem, promptly contact a professional healthcare provider or call 911. Dr. Hotze's Wellness Revolution advises you to always seek the advice of a physician or other qualified health provider prior to starting any new treatment or with any questions you may have regarding a medical condition. Any application of the recommendations from this program is at the listener's discretion.